know how you can simply go ahead and find your Facebook user ID and username, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. All you need to really do is, first things first, open your Facebook. So once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the menu icon, which is the profile icon on the bottom right. And then once you've done that, simply head into settings and privacy, just like that. And then simply go ahead and click on settings. And then you want to tap on the account center. So wait, let me just go ahead and there you go. Now click on the account center. And now once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for profiles, click on that. And then once you've done that, select your profile and then click on username. So it is as simple as that. You can simply go ahead and look at it right over here. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.